Hi guys, it's Maaike. I'm finally back with a advent calendar countdown for Create a Smile. This is number 1 and here's the card that I made. An advent calendar is 24 days of course, so you will have 24 videos in December. And they come packages or packaged like this. They were available as a pre-order only, and they might come standard stamps next year if you're lucky. But I chose English because although my mom was German, my German is rubbish. So, yeah, sorry, that was cheered. I decided to make a tree shape with distress ink, so I'm masking off a piece of my card base and just, eyeball it. I want my image to the right of the tree because he's looking towards the tree. I think it's a he. I don't know, dogs are he's, and although my cheered is a he as well. My cats are female. I don't know. It is stupid. But yeah, I'm sorry I've been missing in action because the move, I was so busy and the garden is taking shape now. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see my progress. Yes, he's back. Sorry. But because I was so busy, I had no energy to film or make anything other than what's necessary. And I'm also taking over the AA challenge as an admin next year. So I've been making my cards but not filming them because, life's too short. So, but I thought, 24 Advent countdown is a nice reason to start filming again. So here I am. I hope you didn't miss me too much and you're, glad I'm back. I'm splattering it with water and then with liquid stardust from Lawn Fawn. And I just want to say that the Advent, I did open them to stamp them, but I'm only using them in order they are supposed to. So I can't use anything from, say, day 2 or day 3 or day 10, even if I like it, because you're not supposed to open them yet. And although on day 10, if I think, oh yeah, I like this little doggy, I use it again, I can, but not the other way around. Does that make sense? I can also use Create a Smile goodies or stencils, homemade stencils. At least those are my rules. They're not set in stone, but I don't want to spoil anyone's surprise. And these are no longer available, as I said. They might come back as a standard stamp or collection next year. You never know. As my sentiment is also from the set. And I found your name on the nice list, it says. And I thought that was Christmassy. He has, sent us bag. I thought it was burlap. Didn't want to do it red because of the cane and you can color it, of course, any color. I'm doing my doggy also in a grey brownish tone. Yeah, not so sure what kind it is either, so if you know, tell me in the comments down below, because it's dog. And I'm not shading these really small areas because they're too small, and I'm also using my fine liners already with the Graphite aqua markers. And then I decided to put a little bit of blue Copic in there because it was a bit dark. And it's pretty straightforward coloring. Then I'm mounting it with foam tape and adhering it to the card. So that's it for today. I will turn on the music and I hope you enjoy this series and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.